friends, I hope you're doing well. So today I'm going to show you how to connect your Canon camera with your smartphone. So why you exactly need to connect your camera with your smartphone? Well, it has some advantages, like you can control your camera remotely, like if you want to take your self-portrait or anything like that, or for long exposure photography, it gives you the flexibility. More so, you can save pictures directly to your phone so that you can use your images faster than going through all the process, like take out the SD card and transferring them to the computer and then work. So if you in hurry, if you need to post pictures on social medias or anywhere else quickly, then that's how it should work. And as I've said, more so it gives you more flexibility and to experiment different things. So without any further delay, let's get into it. So first you will have to download the app on your phone, and for that you will have to go to Google Play Store, and from there Canon Camera Connect. It's a very small file, so download it, and then you will have to set up your Wi-Fi. To do that, you will have to go menu, and from there you go to Wi-Fi or NFC and just enable it, and then you go to Wi-Fi function, and here you can actually set your name, that is important, by going to general setting, and then you return to Wi-Fi function interface. From here you can connect your camera with your smartphone by choosing the smartphone option and then connect your camera. It may take some time to get connected. If it doesn't get connected with first attempt, try several times, because this app is not just the best, but it can actually serve the purposes. So now we are going to connect this camera with this smartphone. So first I'm going to the app, and before I go any further, I just go to the camera, and from there Wi-Fi setting, I'm just connecting it. Alright, and then I'm going to put the camera here. Alright, okay, so first we go to easy connection guide, and from there if you already have used this app, then you probably get the name saved here with your camera model name. Otherwise you will have to go like this, just hit next, and then you will be here. As I've already mentioned, sometime it may take time to get connected, to get the Wi-Fi signal on the phone, so you can try several times. So alright, so now I have already connected my phone with the camera, starting now. So I'm just clicking on this. Okay, so here I can do two things. I can explore the images I already have in the camera, or I can control the live view shooting. So that's what I'm doing now. So friends, as you can see, my camera, I can now see it here on my phone, and my camera is on out there. So as soon as you get connected with your camera, you the camera display will be turned off, and you will be seeing it here. So here you can actually control the settings. You can work with the aperture, white balance, ISO, and also everything else you want. And for an example, if I want to take a picture, just click here. That's right. So this is how you simply can connect your camera with your smartphone. And as I've already said, it helps us a lot to control the camera remotely. And for an example, if I just want to take my own pictures and there is nobody, I can control it like that. And more so, it's important for long exposure photography. So friends, this is how you simply can connect your Canon camera with your smartphone. I hope this tutorial will help you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.